Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Aries June 8th to June the 10th, no? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel din po yon. That is Babaylan TV, no? Nagla-live din po tayo sa kabilang channel. Ayan. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So I want you to know, Aries, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Aries, June 8 to June 10. Ang nakikita ko dito parang kung anong meron bang force, no, or puwersa na kailangan mong gumawa ng isang desisyon. And I think that this decision could be a life-changing event, a decision that will never happen again, or a decision that might probably really change your life, no? With the World card, the Moon card, and the Ten of Pentacles, I think that Aries, merong opportunity dito na you have to set aside, some parts of your, aspects of your life, and you need to probably prioritize, collecting money, no? So ito yung trabaho could be, no? And I'm also seeing here that you need to distance yourself. So which means na parang kailangan mong lumayo. Kaso may masasaktan tayo, kaya medyo naguguluhan tayo dito, no? Am I going to take the opportunity of probably a greener pasture? It could be chances are merong opportunities for you to go abroad. So you're thinking about it and you're also thinking, paano naman yung person ko? No? Um, hindi ko, but I think here, kailangan mong gumawa talaga ng decision. No? With the Knight of Pentacles and the Magician, may mga may mga hudyat dito na parang sinasabi mo, yung puso mo kasi gustong maiwan, no? Yung puso mo ayaw tanggapin yung opportunities kasi may masasaktan ka nga. Pero yung isip mo, when it comes to practicality, paano kung hindi na dumating itong opportunity na ito, no? Paano kung hindi na siya? So, the challenges in here is you're trying to buy more time, no? Pero hinihingi na ng pagkakataon yung decision mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo mabigay yung oo kasi iniisip mo yung maiiwan. Hindi mo rin mabigay yung hindi dahil hindi mo rin kayang mawala yung opportunity. So, it's you're caught up in a decision, but I feel like, wow, whatever the decision it is, I think that there you go, the justice. Now, I wanted to know, it's really hard, the tower. Oh, okay. I think what I am seeing in here, kung magkakaroon ka ng decision, and if you wanted to stay, especially with the um, Knight of Pentacles, I feel like you are not going to take or have this opportunity again at mahihirapan kang kunin, no? Ang mawawala sa'yo. However, if you wanted to probably move forward, I am seeing a lot of money. There might also be another opportunities for you to love again. I am seeing here, chances are, sa pupuntahan mong lugar, no? It might be just sa kabilang kanto, no? Sa kabilang street, sa kabilang city, no? State, country. Um, Mag-iiba yung buhay mo. At hindi mo, kumbaga, you probably thought of having a better life, pero hindi mo aakalaing mangyayari ito sa ibang lugar. Yun nga lang, are you going to choose yourself or choose the person that you're gonna hurt. Um, I'm actually not in the position to make any decision here, and kung ako man yun nandito sa position mo, hirap na hirap ako, no? But then again, at the end of the day, no, whatever rocks your boat, I hope that makakamtan mo, no? Itong kasiyahan at sana magiging satisfied tayo, no? Sa ating magiging decision sa buhay. So, tingnan natin dito, Aries, ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Libra, Taurus, Sagittarius, Aries. I'm also seeing here Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. So this is your reading for now, Aries. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo makaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, meron po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong live session sa kabilang channel din po yon. And kung meron po kayong mga questions, there is a link in the description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. Kung okay lang naman sa inyo ang yes or no na sagot, then sa comment section po, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And if you want to buy or probably purchase the private reading, nasa description box din po yan. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye po, Aries.